Subscribe to my channel Imam Salik.
My respected brothers, sisters, honorable elders, the last pillar, the fifth pillar of Islam is Hajj. Visiting Baytullah, visiting Ka'batullah, and performing all those rituals. They've been performed by Ibrahim alayhi salam firstly, and then by our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, وَلِلَّهِ عَلَى النَّاسِ حِجُّ الْبَيْتِ مَنِ اسْتَطَاعَ إِلَيْهِ سَبِيلًا. One beautiful thing, very beautiful thing in this verse, in this ayah. Hajj is an obligation once in a lifetime upon those they are eligible or they have the means and ways and they reach and touch a specific threshold to go for Hajj. But in this ayah, Allah has not mentioned mu'mineen wala muslimin. Allah has not said وَلِلَّهِ عَلَى الْمُؤْمِنِينَ حَجُّ الْبَيْتِ. No. وَلِلَّهِ عَلَى الْمُسْلِمِينَ حَجُّ الْبَيْتِ. No. And we know the Hajj is just for the believers, just for the Muslims, not the non-Muslims. The disbelievers, they don't go for Hajj. So what is the wisdom in this verse that Allah said, وَلِلَّهِ عَلَى النَّاسِ? The wisdom is Allah wants every single human being to go, to be a believer, to be a Muslim, and to go to the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is an invitation as Ibrahim alayhi salam, when he built the Kaaba, and when he was ordered to أَذِّن فِي النَّاسِ, that announce in the people. In this ayah, Allah said, فِي النَّاسِ, to the people, not the believers, not the Muslims. Why? Allah wants to forgive every single human being. Allah loves every single human being. Allah wants every single human being to be a servant, a true servant, and a true slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why this is an open invitation for all. That Allah has opened the doors. If you are saying La ilaha illallah, and if you are saying Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh, and you meet the requirements, the threshold and eligibility, go and visit and perform those unified and unitified, subhanallah, rituals, one color, one word, one direction, unity. I think, subhanallah, Allah taught us the lesson of unity in every order. Prayer, individual, 1. Congregation, 27 times, 25 times. Eid, congregation. Janazah, congregation. Hajj, congregation. Kutiba alaykum as-siyam, collectiveness, togetherness. Allah wants to teach us, be together, be connected, to love each other, care for each other, be passionate for each other, be mindful for each other, be concerned about one another, think about one another, help one another. Allah wants us to be together, and Hajj is a lesson. One word, لبيك اللهم لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك. One word. They're going Safa, Marwa, all together. Subhanallah, they all look the same. أينما تولوا فثم. Subhanallah, when I see in the circle of Kaaba, one man standing there, standing there, standing there, standing there. When I said Allahu Akbar, everyone is facing towards the Kaaba. Everyone. And they are showing us and showing the world that this is what is unity. Hajj is a journey of love. Hajj is a journey of passion. That's why Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Al-Hajju yahdimu ma kana qabla. You go for Hajj and come back kayawmin waladatka ummuk. You go for Hajj and come back cleansed, expiated, erased, forgiven. Your books are renewed and your books are swapped. How to swap? The old books are thrown away. The old books are being forgotten by the angels and by everyone. You will get the new books after Hajj. This is the meaning of this hadith. Al-Hajju yahdimu ma kana qabla. You did Hajj, and may Allah accept all of us to go and visit Baytullah, and may Allah accept the Hajj of all those people they are going for Hajj. There is just one last thing that I would like to make mention, that there are two terminologies, they are very famous amongst the people. Hajj Asghar wa Hajj Akbar. Al-Hajj Asghar wal Hajj Akbar. And the people, they think that if the Khutbatul Hajj is on the Friday, it is Al-Hajj Akbar, and that's totally wrong. Al-Hajj Asghar is Umrah. When you do Umrah, that is Hajj Asghar, the small Hajj, and Hajj Akbar means the Hajj. Okay? So Hajj Asghar is Umrah, Hajj Akbar is Hajj. It is nowhere mentioned that if the Khutbatul Hajj is on Friday, then it will become Hajj Akbar. It is not said by Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and it has been not mentioned in any of the books of Islam as well.